If you're a new pool owner and you're looking to be proactive with your swimming pool maintenance and you're wondering, I want to get out there and work on this thing, what should I be doing? As a new pool owner, here's three things I want you to do every day, at least for now. I want you to test the water every day. Whether you use test strips or some other method for testing your water, go out there and every single day, at least for now, test the water and get used to checking the chemical parameters of your free chlorine, your total chlorine, your total alkalinity, your pH, calcium hardness, cyanuric acid, and perhaps even phosphates as well. And these will be good numbers for you to get used to interacting with. And that's why I say I want you to measure that every day for the first little while. What else can you be doing? Brushing down the pool. Get out your nylon brush and your telescopic pole and brush down all of the walls and all of the floor of the pool every single day. And that will help, biofilm and algae and things like that from kind of sticking to the walls and floor. You kind of want to get that all up into the water so that the filtration system can draw that through and filter it out of the water. So that's something proactive that you can be doing every day while you're out there anyway, testing the chemicals in the water. You can grab the brush and brush it down. And that brings me to the third and final point for something that you can do every day as a new pool owner is skim the pool surface with your skimming net, and also check the skimmer basket for both the skimmer as well as the strainer basket in your pump. And for a lot of pools, while you don't really need to do that every day, some pools get a lot of physical debris in the water. And if you're a new pool owner, you don't really know how much you're going to have. So that's something that I would ask you to check every day, at least for now, is check the strainer basket in your pump and check the skimmer strainer basket to make sure that they're not full of leaves and debris, which could be obstructing the flow for your swimming pool pump. In total, there's a lot more to do, in terms of the day-to-day maintenance for a swimming pool, but this is a good starting point if you're a new pool owner just looking to be proactive and get out there and interact with your pool day to day. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.